Burials remain a challenge despite efforts to reduce gatherings amid the surge in COVID-19 cases. Prime Minister Andrew Holness made the revelation in Parliament Tuesday, even while giving churches the green light to hold funerals. The Prime Minister has seemingly bowed to pleas to resume funerals. Mr. Holness telling Parliament that he's received numerous letters from grieving families on the matter. Under the Disaster Risk Management Act, funerals were banned and instead bodies were allowed to be transported from the funeral home to the burial site with a limit of 15 people. The Prime Minister, however, pointed to widespread breaches under that arrangement.
I am being sent videos of funerals, well, not funerals, burials at gravesides where, let me not exaggerate, but from what I could see, hundreds of persons are there. The police have told me, because I have inquired of it, and they have told me that they have, as much as they could, shut down, dispersed, burials, but it is a very difficult thing for them to police, given everything else that they have to do, and considering that in any one division, sometimes you may have, 5, 6, even 10 funerals taking place.
Nevertheless, churches will be allowed to resume funerals effective February 1.
There can be no gathering in the church for a funeral service of more than 15 persons. Maximum 5 from the clergy and 10 from the family. And that is the allowance that we have decided to make. I think it's reasonable, and I have great confidence that the churches that have properly implemented the protocols for their religious service will also implement the protocols for the funerals.
He cautioned that if churches fail to comply, it will be discontinued. Meanwhile, transport operators have also been given the go-ahead to allow standing passengers. Mr. Holness argued that as the economy moves to full capacity, public transportation is key.
So for buses, we're approving 1 passenger standing for every 5 seats in the bus. So if you have the common 30-seater, then you could have 6 persons standing in the bus, and we estimate that would be, good enough in terms of social distancing.